Before we delve deeper into WordPress and template files, we need to make sure that we're clear on the various different types of pages that WordPress has in store. Like, you know the difference probably between a single page or a post. Pages usually have static content. It's where you would put like the About Us or Contact Me section of your site. And then posts are the chronological. They're things that you frequently update. They can have tags and categories. But there are several other different types of pages that all have different functions. So we're going to go through the basic types of pages before we move on to other harder stuff. So here I've got just example one, the example instance that I've been using for these videos. And so as you can see, I set my home page to be a single page called home. Let's start with the blog page. So this is my blog. It has all my posts. I'll highlight this here so that you know what we're talking about. This is the blog page. It shows all posts up, a certain number of posts that you set in your blog settings. As you can see, the hello world, that's the one that WordPress just comes with. And then I made this as a post and another dummy post. These are just dummy content. And so when we say go to your blog, or where's your blog page, or this PHP file creates a blog page, then we're saying that basically it's your blog. It's where all your posts, regardless of their category or chronology, appear. So you'll notice here that it's got the post title and then an excerpt of the content, and then also when it was created and its taxonomy, that is categories and tags. And does that for all of them. And when you hover your mouse over the post title, then it becomes a link. So let's click it, and it takes us to a single post page. As you can see, when I hover my mouse over the post title, it's no longer a link. Try and keep that in mind because you'll be seeing where that happens when we dig into the template files. The links on the page here, if you look at category or tag, then you can click one of these and it takes you to an archive page. An archive page, you can see it says category archives, category 1. So this is where WordPress creates these pages dynamically, just as it does every page, and it will display everything or all of my posts that have the category 1. And just like on the blog page, you see that when you hover over with your mouse, then it becomes a link. And if you click on the link, then it takes you back to a single post. The same kind of thing happens when you click on a tag. See tag archives, tag 1. Same kind of thing. That again is an archive page. Another type of page is a search page. So like if you were to use the native search function of WordPress, let's search for posts with the word dummy in them. Then, oh, what do I got here? There's my dummy post. So again, you can tell what page you're on because it says search results for dummy. This is a search page. Again, if you mouse over, then it shows you a link to its single post page. There's no other blog posts with dummy in them, so this is the only thing that shows up. And then finally, just a regular page like contact. Nothing special about this. All right, so those were the basic different types of pages for WordPress.